Hi, this is Dr. Vijay. Welcome to Tech Doctor channel. Today we are going to study top 5 Excel tips and tricks in this video. Quick analysis, that means how quickly you can analyze your data in the spreadsheet. To do this, there are two ways. The first, you need to select the entire data you want to do quick analysis. So when you select, you can see in the right lower corner, you can see there is an icon. So after selecting, you can see there is an icon. And another way, there is a shortcut key to do this, Control plus Q. So after selecting the entire data in your spreadsheet, just click this icon and you can see number of readily available formatting options for your data. Under formatting, you can do data bars, color scale, icon set, greater than, top 10%, so and so. Charts, there are readily available appropriate charts for your data in the spreadsheet. So you can insert easily charts. So not only that, you can do total here for your values. For example, if you want to do sum, it will do auto sum for each column, or average, or you want to count how many number of rows, you can make use of this count, percent, running total, and suppose you want to do auto sum of all the rows, so you can make use of this option. You can convert this data into table by just clicking on the table icon here. So it will give a pure table where you can do sort and filter, which I am going to explain in the later videos. So please make use of this quick analysis. Go and select the data and press this icon, or shortcut key is Control plus Q. Transposing data. Make use these features in Microsoft Excel, where you can convert rows into column into rows. So this is a very useful when you work in a data where you want to copy content from the Excel to the Microsoft Word, where in the Word the table format is different. So here I have a Microsoft Word where you can see year, case and death. They are there in the first column. But my data in the Excel, they are there in the rows. So I want to copy these from the Microsoft Excel and paste in the Microsoft Word. Before that, I need to transpose these data. To do this, just select the entire data and just click on copy, or by clicking shortcut key Control plus C, then click where you want to transpose data. So I want to transpose data here. To transpose data, you can see under Home tab, there is an option called Paste. There is a drop down menu there. Just click there. There are different options. Either you can use this icon, transpose data, or you can go, just click here, and in the end there is paste special. Just click that. There is a dialog box going to open where you can see in the end there is an option called transpose. Just check this box and click OK. You can see now all the rows become column here. So now I can easily copy these and I can paste the information in the Word as transposing data. So please make use of this feature Suppose you want to convert rows into column, column into rows. Convert data in your Excel spreadsheet into a table, an interactive table where you can organize your data very easily. To do, you need to use a shortcut key. First, you need to select the data in your Excel spreadsheet. So, I am going to select this particular data. To introduce a table, an interactive table to your data, just press Control key, then press T. So, that means Control plus T. So, as soon as you press Control plus T, a dialog box going to open where it is showing Create Table, and it will give the range of data from where you have selected. Please check this. My table has headers. Check this. By default it is selected. Press OK. So now you can see your data is converted to a table. What is the use of this table? This table you can easily sort and filter, and you can organize the data very easily. So for example, the name of the students is not according to alphabetical order. Suppose you want to organize these name of the students in alphabetical order. So under name, you can see here a small drop down menu here. Just click there and you can sort here from A to Z. So all the students are arranged in alphabetical order. So if you make the data into table, if you sort one column, so all the related data are sorted. So this is the advantage. Suppose you want to sort this particular data into ascending order of the student's ID. So now you can see the students' IDs are arranged according to the increasing order. Similarly, you can filter this particular data and arrange according to a particular specific mentor. For example, here there are different mentors for all these students. So now we want to see number of students for particular mentor and their performance. I will select a drop down menu under mentor here and uncheck this select all, and I want to see the students performance for the Dr. MN. Just check addition to Dr. MN, click OK. So now you can see these are the students, student A, F, V and K. They are assigned to Dr. M, and their performance, the marks for the PBL, TBL and seminar and their attendance. In this way, easily we can organize our data. If you introduce whatever data in your spreadsheet and convert into an interactive pivot table, so that easily you can organize your data.